Quick question. Do you ever open Netflix, see that your payment has failed notification, and suddenly feel poorer than your ancestors during a famine? Or maybe your landlord is already warming up his throat for that sweet pay up or pack out speech. Well, here's the good news. You don't always need a Silicon Valley tech startup or a crypto miracle. Sometimes the answer is as simple as farm products. Yep, ordinary stuff from the soil. Let's talk about farm products that could literally pay for Netflix, rent, and yes, even your in-laws' endless little bills. Welcome to Spiotrends, where we share insightful and valuable methods to make money from everything around you. Number 1, eggs. Chickens don't just cluck around being noisy, they print money. Chickens are basically tiny ATMs with feathers. Everybody wants them. Kids, gyms, hotels, bakeries, and the beauty? Chickens don't need Wi-Fi, electricity, or motivational podcasts to produce. One hen can give you up to 300 eggs in a year. Multiply that by a few hens, and boom, you're selling trays every week. People buy eggs nonstop for breakfast, baking, and even bodybuilding diets. A small flock of hens can keep your fridge full and your wallet alive. Sell them by crates to schools, restaurants, or your neighbor who swears she's going keto. Think about it. A few chickens are equal to your Netflix bill handled every single month. And the best part? Chickens don't complain, except when they're hungry. Kinda like your siblings. Number 2, tomatoes. Tomatoes are basically edible gold. From stews to sauces, no kitchen survives without them. You know what that means? Demand never dies. Start small, plant a few beds, harvest, sell, repeat. Restaurants and market women will chase you like you owe them money. And if you get clever, process them into tomato paste or dry tomato powder. That's when the real money shows up. Your rent could be handled by just one harvest season. Number 3, snails. Listen, I know, snails are slow, slimy, and probably the last thing you'd invite to dinner. But restaurants and health freaks pay crazy money for them. Snails are delicacies in many places, and they're also used in cosmetics and beauty products. Translation? That slimy little guy in your garden might be worth more than your gym membership. Here's the trick. Snail farming is cheap, low maintenance, and your neighbors won't even notice. Snails might be slow, but the money is fast. While everyone else is busy shouting about stocks and crypto, you'll be out here collecting rent money from slow crawlers. That's poetic justice. Number 4, honey. Bees are unpaid workers who don't need lunch breaks. They just make honey and you collect the profits. Honey is in every health blog, beauty hack, and herbal cure on the internet. People believe it fixes everything: coughs, bad skin, heartbreak. Honey sells everywhere, in supermarkets, at roadside stands, even online. Plus, you can slap a 100% organic sticker on the jar and double the price. Marketing magic. If you start beekeeping, you don't just sell honey. You can sell wax, propolis, and even bee pollen. Every jar of honey could be one less bill from your in-laws. Just don't eat your profits while bottling. Number 5, plantain. Plantain is like that reliable friend who always shows up. Fry it, roast it, boil it, people will still fight for it. Imagine owning a small plantation. You sell bunches in bulk to sellers or even supply to restaurants. With consistent harvests, you could cover rent, Wi-Fi, and maybe even bribe your in-laws with fried plantain on the side. Who's losing? Not you. Number 6, catfish. Fish farming is booming. Why? Because everyone loves pepper soup. Catfish is a party favorite, restaurant special, and health doctor's best friend. Build small ponds, stock them, and feed them. In a few months, they're ready to sell, either live or smoked. People will queue for them, and when you see that cash rolling in, you'll realize Netflix is small money compared to what your fish can pay for. Number 7, garlic gold mine. Garlic, it keeps vampires away and your wallet full. Seriously, this stuff is absurdly profitable. Why? Because good, fresh, locally grown garlic has a flavor that makes the sad, imported, papery stuff in the grocery store taste like disappointment. You buy one head of good garlic. You plant each clove. Each clove grows into a whole new head. You've just 10x'd your investment in one season. Sell it in beautiful braids at a farmer's market. You can easily get $1.50 to $2 per head. Do that with a few hundred plants and you've got a serious chunk of change. That's paying for your annoying brother-in-law's Spotify premium money. So, the next time someone tells you farming is boring or old-fashioned, just smile and ask them, does your crypto produce eggs every morning? The truth is, farm products can pay for your streaming, your shelter, and even your family drama bills. You don't need a massive farm to start. Even small, consistent efforts can make big money. Now over to you. Which farm product would you actually start with? Eggs, fish, or the mighty plantain? Drop your answer in the comments. I might just feature your story in the next video. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with that friend who's always broke but somehow still paying for Netflix.